What is up, guys? This is just a quick little video to show you what's going on with the car. If you're following the channel, then you know that we're in the middle of changing our coolant system. I've actually got the car up here and with the supercharger off. As you can tell, I just took it off yesterday because I needed to swap out this breather tube right here. And when I got the supercharger off, I noticed that this cylinder here, which is a known cylinder for this issue, had some coolant in the gasket valley here. There was none, like super dried orange coolant on the flapper valve, or the flapper for the intake valve, which is a big indication of a leaking supercharger intercooler. But there was trace amounts of it there. And so then I went over to the supercharger, and there was a of course I had the intercoolers in here, and I could see some crusty orange here. And so I turned it over and picked it up, and you can see right there, you can see telltale signs of dripping coolant that came from the gasket. There's a bunch of buildup there underneath it. Even on this side, there's a little bit of coolant, what it looked like. So I have a leaky intercooler. And if I find the right one here, let me see here. Yeah, it's this one. You can see there's coolant residue there at the bottom. And so sure enough, this is a leaking intercooler core, which sucks. But at the same time, I was able to find it before it became a huge issue. I mean, there's literally no dried coolant on the intake flapper there, the intake manifold flapper. So that means I caught it right when it started leaking. So kind of freaked out because it sucks. I have to have my car up, and I was like, I'm gonna have to put this together with a bad intercooler core and just like get the parts as fast as can. But FPC Euro once again comes in clutch. And just so you guys know, I'm not sponsored by them or anything like that. I just really like their company because they really do an awesome job. I was able to get two MAHLE, if you say that right, M-A-H-L-E, the basically OEM replacement intercoolers without the VW Audi logo on them. They're $101 a piece. I got those, I got the gaskets, everything I need, everything for $310 with pretty much overnight shipping. I made the order last night. They'll be here by 8 p.m. tomorrow, which is awesome. Plus, it's like the end of summer sale, so they had a $20 off coupon. So got those on the way. But while everything is open and I'm waiting for parts, I'm gonna be going ahead and setting up the divorced system with the Merc Racing reservoir and everything. But this is just one of those maintenance things. My car has 115,000 miles on it. So, you know, I know that these are prone to failure. And the good thing is, while it's inconvenient, it's a good thing because now I know I'll have brand new intercooler cores in there. My entire coolant system is about to be completely revamped. And so I'm happy about that. That gives me confidence and everything. So got this sitting here. I'm gonna go ahead and get this all done. I'll have a DIY on the coolant divorce system with Merc Racing. And it's not a kit you can order just yet. We're doing it on this car to make sure it's gonna work and see what we need to set up so you can put together a kit specifically for C7s. So you'll be able to see that DIY video here shortly. And he'll put together something specific for these cars to make it easy. But I figured you guys would be interested in the update right now. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions about intercooler cores leaking or anything else with the coolant system. And hopefully I have an update for you on Friday.